Dear students, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you a new topic in organic chemistry called alcohols, phenols and ethers. What do you mean by alcohols? Organic compound contain functional group OH or hydroxyl group are generally called alcohols. For example, CH3 OH. Here the functional group is OH. Okay, this functional group is also called hydroxyl group. Clear? The functional group OH is also called hydroxyl group. So organic compound contain functional group OH are called alcohols. How to write the name of this compound? You learned from class 11th and 10th. Did you remember it? How many carbon here? 1. So meth. Single bond AN. OH. How to write alcohols? Suffix name. What is suffix name? Ol. Methanol. So it's one example of alcohols. Another example is CH3 CH2 OH. How many carbon? 2. Between carbon single bond ethanol. Okay, here also functional group is OH. OH is called a functional group. Okay, so organic compound contain functional group hydroxyl or OH are called alcohols. Clear? Phenols. OH group attached to benzene ring are called phenols, or phenols are aromatic alcohols, cyclic alcohols. Okay, and what do you mean by ethers? Organic compound contain functional group O are called ethers. Here the functional group is O. Understood? One more example, CH3 O CH2 CH3. Another example for ethers. Okay, now I think you got a picture of alcohols and what we mean by phenol and ethers. The next topic is classification of alcohols. Alcohols are classified into different ways. The first classification is based on number of hydroxyl groups. Depends on number of hydroxyl group, alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohols. Clear? Trihydric alcohols. Let's see the example. CH3OH. CH3OH is monohydric alcohols. Can you tell why it is monohydric? Why this compound is monohydric? Because here only one OH group in alcohol, so it is monohydric. If two OH group, for example CH2OH, can you tell the name? Dihydric alcohols. Why it is dihydric? Because here alcohol contain 2 OH. If 3 OH groups are present, if three OH groups are present, what's the name of the alcohol? Trihydric. Trihydric. We can change the example like this: CHOH and 1, 2, 3. So write CH2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 CHOH. So this alcohol is called trihydric alcohols. So depends upon the number of hydroxyl groups. Alcohols are classified into monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohols. Clear? And phenols can also classified into the same method. Let's see the example. Phenols also we can classify in the same method. We know phenols is aromatic alcohols. Here how many OH? 1. So phenol is monohydric. Okay. If two OH groups present, it become dihydric phenol. If three OH group present, it become trihydric phenol. Clear? This is about the first classification of alcohols and phenols. The next important classification of alcohol is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. What do you mean by primary alcohols? For example, CH3OH is an example of primary alcohol. Why this alcohol is primary? Let's see the explanation. Carbon, hydrogen, 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 OH. Actually this carbon is called primary carbon. Why this carbon is primary carbon? Because three atoms here are hydrogen. If 3 hydrogen atoms comes, then that carbon is primary carbon. Okay, then one more example. C H H, instead of this H writing CH3, write CH3 OH. Here also the carbon is primary. Okay, if one hydrogen replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then carbon is primary. Here all hydrogens not replaced, and that carbon also primary. If OH, functional group OH, attached to primary carbon, then alcohol is primary alcohol. Okay, and here also OH attached to primary carbon, so these two examples belong to primary alcohol. Clear? Now what about secondary alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Let's see the example, then you will get an idea what is primary and secondary. I said if 3 hydrogens are present on a carbon and this carbon is primary. If one hydrogen replaced by any alkyl or aryl group, then it become again primary. Again it become primary. If 2 hydrogens are replaced, listen, here I replaced 2 hydrogen with the CH3, then the carbon become secondary carbon. When OH attached to secondary carbon, then it becomes secondary alcohol. Okay, this is secondary alcohol. Now can you tell about tertiary? If 3 hydrogens replaced by alkyl group, see hydrogen replaced by CH3, hydrogen replaced by CH3, CH3. So 3 alkyl group replaced. So that means all the hydrogen atoms of carbon is replaced by CH3. Then the carbon is called a tertiary carbon. Okay, here OH attached to tertiary carbon, so it is called a tertiary alcohols. Let's see this question. I think this question will help you to understand the clear distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. See the example. Here OH attached to this carbon. Okay, so this carbon is important. Check. Okay, let's check. Is it primary, secondary or tertiary? Check this carbon. Check this carbon. Here how many hydrogens are present? 2. So we can write hydrogen separately. 1, 2. Okay. So actually there are 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. But third hydrogen replaced by this group. Okay. Other 2 hydrogens no change. So 1 hydrogen replaced by alkyl or aryl group. What is the name of that carbon? Primary carbon. So alcohols obtained from primary carbon is called a primary alcohol. So the alcohol is primary alcohol because OH attached to primary carbon. So you just concentrate where you just concentrate the carbon. Just concentrate the carbon on which OH is attached. If the carbon is primary carbon, then alcohol becomes primary alcohol. If carbon is secondary, it becomes secondary alcohol. Okay. If tertiary, it becomes tertiary alcohol. Let's see another example. Okay. What type of alcohol is this? OH attached to which carbon? Here one carbon, here another carbon, and here one more carbon. Which carbon? This carbon. So this carbon is important. Now see, actually this carbon beginning 3 hydrogen. Okay, and 1 hydrogen replaced by benzene. Second hydrogen replaced CH3. 1 H is here, in here OH. So 2 hydrogens replaced. 2 hydrogen replaced. So what is the name of the carbon? Secondary carbon. So alcohol is secondary alcohols. Clear? This is about the classification of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Okay, I will give one more simple example. Okay, let's see the example. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Which type of alcohol is this? Primary, secondary or tertiary? Check it. OH attached to which carbon? This carbon. So this carbon is important. Okay. Now how many hydrogen here? 2. So we can write hydrogen like this. Hydrogen, hydrogen. So total 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. But 1 hydrogen replaced by CH3, CH2. So out of 3, 1 hydrogen replaced by CH3, CH2. Okay. 1 hydrogen replaced. What is the name of the carbon? Primary carbon. So it is attached with the primary carbon, so the alcohol is called primary alcohols. Clear?